Hi. Pasok na kami ni Ethan. Nandito na kami sa school. Okay, kadarating lang namin. Let's go. 8 o'clock na. Pasok na si Ethan. Come on, Pogi. Hi, get your bag. What? Say hi. Okay, come on. Let's go. Can you lock the door, please? Lock mo door natin. Just press it. Press it. There you go. Come on. Oh, wait. My car. Suot mo bag mo.
I'm cold.
Sige nga, suot mo para hindi ka makul. Yeah. There you go. Let's go. Come in.
How about my
wait.
jacket?
Wala mo ito jacket.
Dad, I'm cold, my jacket.
Sa loob ng classroom mo, hindi na cold. Okay? Bukas na dalang yung jacket mo, ha? Huh? Tingnan ko, may muta ka yata. May muta ka, nak. Okay, let's go. Huwag nang karga, nak. Ayan. Oh, ayan, tingnan mo siya, oh. May muta ka eh. Sige, lakad ka na. Good morning. Pasok na si Ethan na. Oh. Ha?
I don't want to.
Why? Why? Kailangan uhulog yung shorts ko. Ayun, may bike ko. Bike ka muna, dali.
No, the Spanish is there.
Oh, yan. Diyan ka, di ba? Come on, bike ka muna, bike. Ayun, bike. Oh, go. Dali. Give me a bag. Okay, go. Yan na yung school ni Ethan. Go, dali. Go, Ethan. Go, bike. Ito ang classroom ni Ethan. Yung classroom niya. Doon naman ang classroom ni Renjin. Go, Ethan, bike na, bike. Ayun ang bike ko. Go. Hurry up. Go, Ethan. Ayan, dito ang classroom niya, oh. Mga parents nag-aantay, oh. Pila, papasok sa classroom niya. Dito siya, dito. Ayan. Diyan siya. Diyan ang classroom niya. Yung mga table. Ayun ang teacher. Diyan siya. Hi, Ethan.
Spanish.
No! Dito Spanish, pero dito lang ang klase nyo na English dito, English, okay?
I don't want to.
Ano mo?
I don't want to go in the Spanish.
Nilipat na yung Spanish na ako doon yung Spanish, hindi ito yung Spanish, okay?
No.
Ay, huwag ka nang iiyak, See? I see my coins? Oh, see? Pagtapos mo sa school, pupunta tayo sa Chuck E. Cheese, ha?
I don't want to.
Pogi, don't cry. Iyak si daddy pag umiyak ko. Tan. Pasok si daddy. Sandali lang si daddy. Alin ang you don't want to?
I don't want to go in the Spanish.
Hindi ito Spanish, anak. Hindi ito Spanish, promise.
It's Spanish.
No, it's not. Doon yung Spanish, nilipat na nila Spanish. Dito English na. Dito Spanish, okay? Don't cry na, ha? Dito Spanish. So, tingnan mo. Hindi yan Spanish. Oh, English na. See, may American flag, oh. See, that's American flag. That's not Spanish. Oh, no, American flag, oh. Nandito ang Spanish. Nandito ang Spanish. Tahan ka. Tahan ka. Punas ng lupa. Punas. Eh, napapasok ang tayo.
No, I don't wanna go in.
Ayan. Tahan.
I don't want to.
Tahan ka na, Pogi. Go ahead.
No. I don't want to.
Kita, mabalik si Daddy kasi walang pasok si Daddy. Okay, come on. Why? Why you don't want? Why you don't want? Why you don't want?
I'm gonna cry.
Why? Why are you gonna cry?
Because I want my mom.
Okay. Pupunta rin si Mami. Pupunta rin si Mami, okay?
No.
Game ng bag mo rito, okay?
I don't want.
Don't cry, Ethan, okay? Magagalit ako. Don't cry. Tahan, papasok mo tayo. Don't cry, okay? Stop it. Tahan. Okay? Babalik ako, ha? Pupunta lang ako sa kotse. Susundin ko sa mga, okay?
I don't want.
No, don't cry, Ethan.
I wanna go with you.
Ha?
I wanna go with you.
Okay.
No.
Okay, let's go.
No.
Tapos kung maglalaro na kayo. Ha? Kung ano lang. Sige na.
No.
Halika na.
I don't want.
No, Ethan, you have to go to school. Then later we're gonna go to school, okay?
I don't wanna go now.
Halika na. Okay, let's go.
No.
Let's go, come on. Come on. Ethan, babalik din ako. Ay, nandito ka na. Come on.
Daddy! I don't want.
Okay, go ahead. Sige na. Sige na. Come on, Daddy. Daddy.
Oh, his daddy. Nice to meet you, Miss Melissa.
Miss Melissa. Come on, Ethan, go ahead.
Oh, and
Gonna
then
go
you've been
back.
signing over here?
Yeah, I already signed.
Oh, you did? Okay. And then go wash your hands.
You're his teacher?
Yes.
Go ahead.
I want.
Go ahead. I'll be back. Okay, bye-bye.
Daddy!
Nandun na siya sa loob. Hindi niya ako nakikita. Didirig niya siya umiiyak. Alis na ako. Hindi siya umiiyak. Ayun na ako.